Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out an awesome set of seat covers. This is on the 2019 Ram 2500. Great looking truck. It's white exterior. We went with some great color combos on the inside. We went with a black Dura insert and a Kryptek raid trim. Looked awesome. So let's check this thing out. Opening up the doors here and checking it out. And man, so again, with the white exterior, the interior, we thought, hey, let's use some blacks, some grays. There's some black accenting inside here. And we thought, hey, that black Dura Easy Care insert, again, super durable material for the insert and the trim. But that black insert with the Kryptek Raid, those two together just popped really nice. Looked very cool. That choosing Raid as the trim, that made the middle section there in the Raid, and as well as the headrest covers are in the Kryptek Raid. You can see how this lid cover folds up there, and that full 20 section seat folds up. This seat is a 40-20-40, so there 3 people could sit up there. That bottom section folds up as well. That's bottom storage. You would tell us all those details as you're getting your set ordered. You tell us if you have top or bottom storage, and as you put in your vehicle information, that helps determine how that all is going to be. And again, custom fit, so everything's nice and tight and not going to slip around. Get a lot of customers telling us, hey, we're so sick of seat covers that are slipping around, and we just say, hey, you know what, yeah, come over to us. We'll get you set up with something that's going to be nice and tight fitting, because there's a lot of other products out there that just slip around and don't last very long. So these are all going to be custom fit again, specific to this truck. So folds and functions just how it should. I love how this 20 section fits on there in this Ram. It looks really nice. And again, the black just accents very well with this. We didn't go with any front pockets on this particular set. We did end up doing a pistol holster on the driver's side so the customer could stick his pistol down there. But check out pistol pockets and MOLLE pockets both as options for front pockets there. And before we roll around to the back, one thing I want to mention as well is that these seats, the seat covers, are equipped with side airbags. So if those ever need to deploy, they're compatible there. Now here's the back side of the seats. Loaded up with a special ops package. If you didn't have this, it would just be a straight seat cover material on the back side there, the camo, which is made out of 600 denier nylon. But this is a special ops package, the pocket setup on the back here, which is really awesome. It's a total of 8 storage pockets, 4 large ones that form the rifle slings. So you can put rifles back there. There's MOLLE webbing on the outside, so you could hook on first aid kits or other gear on the MOLLE webbing there, and then lower gear and ammo pockets down below. I really like those because I love just being able to throw in some gloves or some binoculars or a knife back there, and just quick access to those pockets as well right there. So really a very cool pocket setup on the back. Again, that's the custom option special ops package, so watch for that when you're picking out your seat covers. And again, that's made out of all Kryptek Raid on the back side there, so whatever trim choice you choose, that trim choice then wraps around the back side. And I like using the camo because if the kids are in the back or the dog's back there, it gets dirty back there, you really don't see it as much with that camouflage. So that's why typically I'm a little bit more biased towards choosing the camo. It's just because it's less maintenance. You don't have to clean it up as much. That black Dura Easy Care is going to be easy to clean as well, but it's going to show up dirt and stains a little bit more, so that's something to think about, is that the camos really hide the dirt and stains very well. So good option for you there. Now let's check out the back seat here. Back seat is a 60-40 split bench back seat with an armrest that folds down. That armrest pops out there. As you can see, I have it popped out right there. Trims out really nice. There's 2 cup holders around there, so those are still accessible, so you can use those cup holders. And I have a full install video teaching you how to install this to make it look just like this, because that section right there around that plastic, that inner plastic right there, the seat covers is going to tuck in right there, but that's a little difficult to do. So again, I have a video teaching you how to put it up inside there. And once you get inside, it holds really nice, and we send you with a plastic little tool to help with that. It kind of trims it out a little bit easier. Again, watch the install video if you have questions on that. Folding down this section, folding down the 40 section, you can see that there's full coverage on the back side as well. So let's say you had the seats down, you had some kind of larger items that you were throwing in the back here. It's going to keep the back of those seats all nice and clean as well. So I do love that, how there's full back coverage on these when it folds forward. Now this is this is the mega cab, so the mega cab seats fold forward. On the crew cab Rams, they don't fold forward like that. That's just how they're built. So really loved how this set turned out. Just an awesome look. Again, Kryptek Raid for the trim. Kryptek Typhon is another good look if you want to check out the Kryptek Typhon, but check out the website for a lot of different photos, videos to get ideas for what might go well in your truck. We got a lot of them up there. If you have questions, please contact us. The website is coversandcamo.com, and the phone number 435-789-2270. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions as you're placing your order. We look forward to doing business with you. Thanks so much.